Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Well, today I'm going to show you how to rob every single store in Jailbreak with my friends. Here I'm joined by them, so let's get started. So the first place that I'm going to be showing you how to rob is the jewelry store. Well, what you have to do is get in the jewelry store, and then you just come to any jewel in the glass, and then you just start in the glass. As you can see here, I keep each glass is 500, and you can get the duffel bag. It gives you 5,000, but I don't have the duffel bag. So all you have to do is break the glass, and then you get the money. You can use a jetpack to do the obbies, but I have a jetpack, but I didn't get it. But you can I'll show you how to do it, because some people don't have jetpacks. To the mountain base to give the jewels to get the money. You can just come to the city criminal base and to get the money. So as you see, it was easier. It was an easy robbery. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna show you how to rob the bank, but you need a key card so you can open the gate. I have a key card. You can make your friends become a cop and then you get their key card. But yeah, so here. There are different types of banks that you can rob. So we got this one, but yeah, there are other different types, but this one is like one of the hardest ones. You can just put the dynamite, just stand on the edge and then place the dynamite, and then the doors will open and the platform will come from the bottom. See, the platform will come from the bottom. Guys, as you saw, we just robbed the bank. You don't have to go to any criminal base, you just get out and then you get the money. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to show you is this is the museum. For you to rob the museum, you need a friend, because you can't rob it by yourself. Because first of all, you need two people to place the dynamite. You cannot place one dynamite and then place the other dynamite. And second of all, you can't, if your friend died in the museum, but you can't get out because two people need to pull the lever and both of the puzzles at the same time, so you can get it so the doors can open. it's like one of the best robberies. First of all, like you need a key card to rob it. But like it's the best. It gives a lot of money. Like it depending on it's kind of luck. Like sometimes you get 4,000, sometimes you get 6,000, sometimes you get 5,000. It just depends. But to open the door, you need a key card. Alright guys, so all what you have to do is inspect the crate and then you just have to deliver it to the cargo port. Alright guys, just in case you don't know, the cargo port is here. It used to be in the city criminal base, but they moved it here. Alright guys, so this is the last robbery I'm going to show you. It's the passenger train. Sometimes you can get a cargo train, but it's the same thing. Like the cargo train, you just open the vault and wait inside it till your bag fills. It's kind of like the bank, but the passenger train, you just get in there, get the bags, and then you just go to the volcano base, and then you get the money. Alright guys, so what you just come to the collector and give him the money, and that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.